Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, all RAM GB not usable problem in Windows. Right-click System, Properties. Only part of the memory is usable. First method is, type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click msconfig. Click Boot tab. Click Advanced Options. Increase your maximum memory. Uncheck maximum memory. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart. Second method is, right-click this PC, Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Performance Settings. Click Advanced. Click Change Virtual Memory. Uncheck, Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Click No Paging File. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.